Sa mga suki naman ng healthcare services ng MWell app, lalo pang magiging accessible yan dahil malapit na rin itong malagay sa eGov app ng pamahalaan. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Amy Atienza.
Selyado na ang partnership ng MWell Philippines at Department of Information and Communications Technology para ihatid ang quality healthcare sa eGov app. Magsisimula na ang mas accessible na healthcare services para sa lahat ng Pilipino. Lalo't opisyal nang pumirma ng Memorandum of Understanding ang MWell Philippines at DICT kasama si Metro Pacific Investments Corporation President Manuel V. Pangilinan. Para kay MVP, malaking hakbang ito para mas maraming Pilipino pa ang mabibigyan ng quality healthcare lalo na sa susunod na taon.
Well, we welcome the help and the support of government for MWell to be able to achieve or a big step forward towards universal health care, to be able to deliver health services to everybody, that distance should not be an impediment to the delivery of health care.
Sa partnership na ito, makakakuha na rin ng direct access sa mga doktor, personal health records at mga serbisyo tulad ng consultation at check-ups nang hindi na kinakailangan pang pumila sa mga care facility. Mas safe din, lalo na ngayon na mabilis ang pagkalat ng mga sakit at tulad ng influenza-like illnesses.
And then if you just need parang consultation lang naman and you don't really need to get out of your homes, diba? So they can consult with doctors and get e-prescriptions already. As a matter of fact, with MWell nga, pwede na i-deliver yung medicines to your doorstep.
From online app to a primary care facility at ngayon, government partnership. Layunin ng MWell na bumuo ng Healthier Philippines na alinsunod din sa priority programs ng pamahalaan.
We also are pushing for not just curative health, no, but preventive health kasi 80-85% of our Filipino kababayans are daily wage earners. So, kailangan ang kalusugan ang puhunan natin lahat. We also know that for a country to be progressive and for nation building, we actually need healthy people to enable that.
So imagine nyo na lang, bawat municipal health center may ganitong klaseng serbisyo. Hindi mo na kailangan pumirma sa papel, hindi mo na kailangan mag-fill up ng papel. Nandun na sa eGov app yung detalye na kailangan mo. Yun yung vision ng Pangulo. So, kailan? Baka 2026, mararamdaman na po natin yan in full blast.
Kasama rin sa MOU signing si MWell Ambassador Gabby Concepcion, Miss Earth Philippines 2025 Joy Barcoma at Bacoor City Mayor Striker Villa.
We are well with MWell!
Mga kapatid, Mobile Journal, Amy Atienza po, hatid ang muka ng balita.